Hi everyone, I'm Tammy. Welcome back to Creative Corner. Last week, with the help of ChatGPT, we created my single color embroidery GMM Rooted Paws Studio logo with the help of Inkscape and the Ink Stitch extension. This week we're going to do a multicolored logo. Let's see how it turns out. Before stitching the final shirt, I wanted to test the colors. I originally planned gray leaf veins, but the emerald green stitched instead, and I ended up liking it even better. This logo now has multiple colors. I need to trace it a little differently than I did in my last embroidery project. Once the vector looks good, I'll separate the colors and get everything ready for stitching. When I ran the stitch simulator, I noticed it wanted to change thread colors 4 different times. Since both of these objects are going to use the same gray thread, I can group them together. That reduces unnecessary thread changes and makes the embroidery process a little more efficient. After grouping the gray objects together, the stitch order is now optimized. Now let's run one final simulator. After grouping the colors together, the machine will only pause for 3 thread changes, making the stitching process much more efficient. With the embroidery file ready, it's time to stitch the shirt. I loaded the design into my machine, hooped the shirt with cutaway stabilizer, and chose the thread colors for the final logo. This is always my favorite part. After all the work in Inkscape, it's exciting to finally watch the design come to life. The machine has finished this color, so it's time for the next thread. This is one of the few times I need to step in during the embroidery process. Threader, take this string and then I stick it down through. And then I'm going to put the foot back down and then I hit the start button. Since the first color is finished, it's time for the gray thread. This is where the logo really starts coming together as the lettering and paw print begin to appear. Now we're on the final thread color. This last pass will add the finishing details and bring the entire logo together. At this point, all the details start coming together, and you finally get to see what the finished logo will look like. The stitching is complete. All that's left is trimming the jumper threads and cleaning up the finished embroidery. This isn't just a logo. It's become the identity of GMM Rooted Paws Studio. It's really rewarding seeing this going from something that I designed to something that I can actually wear. See you next time in Creative Corner.